This morning I was just finishing up the finalities of the spelling bee that they've been studying for the entire homeschool year. This was our first year of homeschooling as well as our first year of farming. So you just kind of get a 2-in-1 combo video to kind of show the end of our school year as well as what we've been up to the past few months.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you a tour of the garden. So, and our room, I guess. So, I don't really know what that is. I'll just go back to that. Okay, and we got radishes over here. We just picked. Mom, there's one starting just come out. Watch, hold on, I'll show you guys. It's just hard to see it. Okay. Yeah. Hazel, why'd you just pick a leaf off of that? Okay. So cool. Hey, my name is Mr. Pin. Oh, he's crawling on her nose. I'm glad we got
Hit your brakes! We got a shipment today. Meat chickens. So I've got this brooder right here. Lamp, 2 waters, galvanized feeder, peat moss. Feed box, which acts as another brooder, galvanized feeder, 2 waters, lamp. There's our nursery. Centipede.
Oh, I really want to do that one. Daddy.
Trust your instincts.
That's right.
Spell it out loud.
CENTIPEDE.
Correct.
Yes.
So this is all the work the pigs did in a matter of what, 2 weeks they were?
Have a lot of things in it. That's his food. He just sleeps in there. And I put some grass in there so it doesn't, the wood shavings just, and sometimes I like picking out the grass. I put grass in there mainly because it wouldn't hurt their feet as bad. And because that because I put, the other reason is because they like grass. He loves it. Can I keep an eye on him? But
I love it.
I can leave him over here because I know he can't get out. And if he does, he stays on the wood shaving house. Watch, Mom. Well, I'm gonna go get some more grass and just turn it around so he doesn't get out.
And right now we are moving the pigs since they kept getting out after the tornadoes the other night. They got out of the electric fence, which was right over here, which we really needed to move them anyway because they're about finished grazing in this area. In the meantime, we put them back in the stall, which is where they resided when we first brought them home. In the barn, I do not like them enclosed indoors, and you can see that they don't like it either. Here he was just replacing the solar panel and getting the ground rod in. What'd you just say?
Nothing.
Drake!
That's what I'm saying.
Tell me what you just told me about the voltage.
The 8,000 volts now.
What?
8,000 volts now.
Whereas what was this one?
3,000. Before we put it in. We put it in full-grown grass.
Yeah. Not to mention, we had not utilized the entire fence and we had some of it still wrapped up, and we think that may have cooped up.
Oh, my goodness, my place pooped in it.
Hey, that's good.
Covering it to smother the grass, so that way we don't have to till our garden.
Yeah.
Mom,
Hold that.
can I ask you? Come here, real quick.
Yeah.
Go back.
Sorry, it's a little sunny outside. Well, it is really sunny outside. Okay. Nice and little chickies. There's your silky. I don't know what type of thing you're called. I forgot. This is a cheeky room. And they're all resting. Hey, buddies. Guys. And throw them some water, so I'll have to go get them some in a second. Yeah. We're doing fun in there. I'm trying not to get close to the light and burn my hair, so it might take a second. Hey, buddy, I know you don't know me. This is Kinsley's favorite. Him. This little guy. The Red Ranger. Okay, let's take him to their house. The man wants you. That he loved it and started pooping in it. Which is a good sign. Okay, buddy, come on. Sorry, buddy. Okay. He's gonna go plant in the garden. We're working on the garden over there. Very big. Hey, buddy. Alright. We came in like a couple days ago, and the olive eggers got in, like, because we kept the door open, and the olive egger came in and was under the heat lamp. The olive egger is still really small.
Just pinched off the bottom two stems from each tomato plant that we just transplanted, and I'm going to feed them to the pigs. This was the box from the plastic wrap that we're laying down for where our second garden will be, that we've just been burning all of our boxes, building up the ash to then compost for added nitrogen. So, yep. What you doing? We can use this one. Knew this would come in handy one day. Yeah. What are we doing? Woo!
You want to bring them all the way around to right here? Or do you want to?
Yeah, that's fine. Go. Come here. Moment of truth.
What is
What is it?
803.
Right on.
Oh, right here? Oh. Oh my God. It's all starting to pop up.
So right now I'm just taking these bamboo sticks. I'm about to go over there. These bamboo sticks and creating trellis for the tomatoes, and then I'm gonna run some, I believe it's hemp. It's a cord. If this does not support as well as I intended, then we will reevaluate, but this should do the trick. I just planted it closer. Did you look at him? He's just so cute. Just add some more chips. It's amazing what you can learn in just really a year, a week, a month, a day, if you're passionate about it and if you're open to nature's signs and gifts, and if you're aware of all of the signs that are consistently around us and what God is showing us at all times. It's something. It's everything. Maybe something?
Yeah. Oh, Hendra.
I love it.
You put it in your room and put it in your pocket.
Okay. Put it in my pocket and then hang it in my room.
Yeah.
Thank you. I love it so much. What was that?
Nothing.
Nothing. Good morning, Naparuski girl. Need water? What's going on right now in our lovely permaculture garden? Lots of foliage sprouting up, lots of healthy corn. When I get to the point, our goal is to have about a 4-inch layer of wood chips throughout. This is wheat. It's interesting for me to experience the various sprouting time frames. You know, some things have barely sprouted and they were planted at the same time as like these radishes, and then to find out that the radishes have a seed to harvest time frame of just 3 to 5 weeks. I could actually harvest these right now. I'm just letting them grow as much as possible, and then of course we will leave some so they can go to seed. Here I had to work on weeding this a bunch and feeding that to the pigs and the chickens. Our beans are thriving. In one area of this bean garden over here, you can see where it's not as abundant. So I was actually taking bean seeds and pushing them into holes and covering them, probably so much so under the dirt that they were not exposed to the sun. And I did this thinking that it would protect them from birds coming down and you know, swiping up the seeds. And then you can kind of see where I started to become aware. I can't remember what this is right there, but I will find out. It's not, I don't think those are beans because they're, I don't know. And then right here is where I kind of started just laying them out and sprinkling them, and then I kind of like reverted back to the method of pushing them down, and the kids were helping me and I was telling them to push them down, and you can see there's not much sprouting right there. And as you can see, we are reinventing the scarecrow. Just some final planting for the day. I planted the raspberry vines that we picked up today from someone local. That's where we got a few of our trees from. So yeah, I just planted 2 plants next to the plant we already had in the ground, and I'm about to go make some supper and call it a day. It's always hard to part with the garden for the day. I feel like someone needs to rope me and drag me back to the house sometimes. So, what you got? Oh, thank you so much. Oh, making sure I'm hydrated. Thank you.
Daddy got me.
Daddy is such a sweet daddy, isn't he?
Daddy got from the store for you.
Oh, he's so good to Mama. Thank you. You want to walk back to the house with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
It was the fourth dog that we got because Rolly was the first. Luna was the second. Yeah. June was the third. And then June was the third.
Any last words?
Nope.
Not even one?